Today joining us, Mas and Nina. You have 10 minutes to put together new looks by mixing up old and new outfits. Let's start! Raya Office Party.
I never expected a traditional top can go well with a well-printed skirt.
I kind of like this combination a lot.
Meet the parents.
The long kebaya is belong to this pario, but then after you pick it with different color, I kind of like the combination.
I like how the kebaya top went well with the pario. I think that's kind of like my new outfit.
Your besties, open house.
Oh, I really like what you did with the shawl. I kind of like how elegant I look lah.
I couldn't think that this cream blouse and white skirt will match nice.
So guys, from this challenge, I think I have learned that you don't have to always buy different outfits for different occasions. You can always mix and match and celebrate the meaningful season with mindfulness.
You guys should try it too. And don't forget to vote your favorite down below.
Selamat Hari Raya!